Hello, welcome. In this video, we will see how to deploy a simple web application or a website on Google Cloud. So for that, first open Google Chrome web browser. In the search box, type Google Cloud. Open this Google Cloud link. If you open this link, then you will see something like this on your screen. For using Google Cloud, you have to first open your account on this. So I have already created my account on Google Cloud. You can easily create your account using your Gmail account. So before deploying your web application or website on Google Cloud, first we have to create a virtual machine. So for creating a virtual machine, click on this console icon. After clicking on this console icon, you will see three lines on the left side. Click on these three lines, then scroll down and you will see Compute Engine. So click on this Compute Engine. After clicking on the Compute Engine, you will see there are many options on the left side. So select this first option, that is virtual machine instances. Now you will see that I have already created two virtual machines. But in this video, I will show you from start. Now we'll see how to create a virtual machine. For creating a virtual machine, click on this create instance icon. If you click on this create instance icon, then you will see you have to write here some name for your virtual machine. I will write some name virtual machine 7. Then you have to select the region. If you select this region, then you can see you have to pay $25. But I will show you how we can reduce this cost. If you scroll down, you have to select E2 option. In E2, there you can see you have 0.25 to 0.32 virtual CPUs, 1 to 128 GB memory and Intel CPU. So select this, and in this option you have to select E2 micro. If you select E2 micro, then your cost will be further reduced. You can see now you have to pay only $7.11. But you don't have to worry, because if you are using free trial, then you don't have to pay anything. But if after free trial, then you have to pay, because Google is not free. You have to pay as much resources you are using. Then after selecting this, you can see there is a create button at the bottom. Click on this create button. Now your virtual machine will be created. It will take few minutes for that. Now you can see that our virtual machine is created. This is the external IP of our virtual machine, and this is the internal IP of our virtual machines. So before deploying our web applications, we have to make some changes to this virtual machine. So click on this virtual machine, and you will see there is a edit option at the top. So click on this edit option. You can also edit your virtual machine. If you want to change configuration of your virtual machine, if you want to change CPUs, memory, then you can also change that using this edit option. Scroll down and here you will see two check boxes. So you have to select both the check boxes because you have to allow both HTTP and HTTPS traffic to your virtual machines. This is necessary, otherwise you cannot access your website or web application. After making these changes, save on this, click on this save button. It will take few minutes. Now our changes are saved. Then let's go back to the virtual machine. Now copy this IP address and paste this in your address bar of web browser. Now before pasting it, type http colon and then paste this IP address and press enter. So this we are getting this message because we have not installed Apache server on our virtual machine, and we have also not started our virtual machine. So first start our virtual machine. So for starting our virtual machine, click on this SSH connect. It will ask you to authorize. So click on this authorize button. So if you see screen like this, then it means our virtual machine has successfully created and it has started successfully. In this virtual machine, we have selected Linux operating system. So now for deploying our web applications, we have to install some softwares for it. So first go to the root user. For going to the root user, type sudo space hyphen I. Now we are working as a root user. Now update our system. So for that type command apt hyphen get space update. So our system is getting update. Now next we have to install Apache server. So type command sudo space apt hyphen get space install Apache 2 and press enter. So it will ask yes for installing. So type Y. So now our Apache server is successfully installed. So let's check this on web browser. Again copy this IP address and paste it in our web browser. Type http colon and paste this IP address. Now remember when you are typing IP address in the address bar, write HTTP, not HTTPS, and then press enter. So if you will see this web page, it means that our Apache server has been successfully installed on the virtual machine. So now let's go to this folder, select this, copy it, and simply paste in the virtual machine. Type cd command and paste this address. Press enter. Okay. So now let us check which files are present in this folder. So for that, type ls command. Now you will see that there is a one file index.html in this folder. We have to remove this or delete this file. So for that, type rm command, rm space index.html. Now again check if this file is deleted or not. So type ls again. Now you will see that there is no index.html file present because we have deleted it. Now we will create our own website for deploying it on this virtual machine. So type notepad for it. You can use any text editor. I am using notepad. Now write some simple website here. HTML. So this is our very simple website. Save this file. You can save this file in any folder and you can give it any name. I will save this file with index.html name. Now on our virtual machine, we have to create file with same name index.html. So for that I am using vim editor. So type vim space index.html and press enter. Now for entering some typing some in the some data in this file, press I, and now copy all this code from this file into our index.html file on our virtual machine. Right click and paste. Okay. Now for saving this file, press escape key, then type colon, then type wq and press enter. Now refresh the page which you have already opened in web browser. So now here you can see there is Government Polytechnic Gadchiroli. So this is our website which we have created and uploaded on this Google Cloud. So this is how we create and deploy a very simple web application or website on Google Cloud. Thank you.